What's going on, everybody? So are you looking to make money from the comfort of your own home on your laptop? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a brand new website that allows you to make money from home and get payments directly to your PayPal account. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of ways to make money online, guys. So please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. Now, guys, I know that a lot of people are looking to make money from home. There's a ton of ways you can do it. I'm going to show you this website, but at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a bonus on how I make passive income and how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job within 10 months of starting my business. So stick to the end. I'm going to show you that in a little bit, but let me show you this website first. You do need a PayPal account to get some of this money, guys. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go to paypal.com, go to sign up and create an account. Very easy to do, guys. Basically, PayPal allows you to receive money from this website, and then from here you can either use PayPal to buy stuff, or you can transfer this to your bank account. Really easy to do. Okay, so make sure you sign up for a PayPal account so you can receive your money. Okay, so the website that we're gonna be talking about today is squishycash.com. Okay, so you can see here almost 200,000 current members. Okay, which is cool because sites like these usually have like millions and millions of people on them, right? With this website, there's not that many people, so you're going to be able to get a lot of this money paid out to you, okay? So here's the cool thing about this website here is you can get PayPal money sent to your account, but you can also get Visa gift cards, Starbucks, Best Buy, iTunes, Amazon. There's all kinds of ways to get your money, okay? Now, what I want you guys to do, guys, is go to this website here, squishycash.com. Go to sign up, okay? When you first sign up, you get $3 just for signing up, okay? So once you sign up, and I'm going to go to the website here. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I'm signed up here, okay? So now that you're in, the first thing I want you guys to do is go to earn, okay? And then go to not all offers, you go to clicks, okay? This is a really cool way to make some fast money just by clicking a button, okay? So you go here and you literally just click these buttons here and you get money, okay? So there's only a few, so I think it updates every like 6 hours or something like that. But this is a fast way to get money. You literally just click these here and it puts money into your bank, into your Squishy account right away, okay? Now I'm gonna show you other ways to make money with this, okay? So if you go to earn, you go to all offers, okay? What you can do is sign up for these offers, and they're free to sign up for as long as you sign up for them and then cancel them. You can see here you sign up for this one, you get 50 cents. This one here, $15, and then it just kind of goes through. You can sign up for all these offers, okay? This is something you can do to make some extra money and start making money today, okay? Now that's one way you can make money. Let me show you another way here, okay? So if you go to surveys, you can fill out some surveys here. There's tons of surveys that you can start with. You can see here 40 cents here, 60 cents here, 50 cents here. So you can literally just fill out all these surveys and make money, right? So there's another way to do it. Is do that, okay? Now let me show you another way to do this, guys, is you go to refer, okay? This is probably the best way to make money with this website. If you go to refer and then go to referrals, okay? What this allows you to do is you can grab your own link here. Once you grab your link, you can literally start promoting this link, and then you make money with it. You can see here you'll earn 25% of your referral earnings, 5% of your second level referrals, and then it kind of just goes from there, okay? So what you can do is you can get your link here and you can start referring people, okay? Now you can start with friends and family. You can do that, but let me show you a website that you can start with here. If you go to Craigslist.com, okay, and you can literally post a post about this, okay, like make money online, something like that, okay? Let me show you an example. So if you go to jobs and then you go to, where is it here? Sales Biz Dev right here. You can literally post your business opportunity on here, okay? You can see there's a bunch of things here for entrepreneurs who want to work from home. You can literally kind of take this and you can literally you don't copy it, but do something similar, and when people email you, you send them your referral link where they sign up for Squishy Cash, right? So this is kind of what I do, okay? But this is called affiliate marketing. Of course, guys, if you do it with this website, it's a very low ticket, okay? I will tell you that it is low ticket and it's not worth my time, and I want to show you a better way to do this, okay? Now, if you do need some money, if you need money right away, this is a great website to kind of, fill out surveys, click buttons and make money, right? That's a great way to do it if you don't have any money, but that's not a good use of your time. You're still trading time for money. I want to show you guys how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job by doing affiliate marketing, but higher ticket products, okay? Because like I said, this is a waste of your time when you can be putting it into a passive income business, right? So I'm going to talk about that here in a second, okay? So let me go to let me show you the post here. I would literally started my passive income business, guys, May 2019, okay? So a little over 10 months ago. And you can see in March, in the beginning of the March 2020, I was literally able to quit my electrical engineering job. You can see here, today I conquered one of my greatest fears that has been plaguing me for the last 5 years. I quit my $80,000 a year job today. I've never felt so free in my entire life, and it seems financially crazy, doesn't it? Right? So guys, I was able to literally start my business in May of 2019, and within 10 months I was able to quit my job, okay? And it's not like I just had a job where I was making $20,000, $30,000 a year. I was making a ton of money, guys, with electrical engineering. I went to school for this. I hated my job. I was making good money. But what I did is I basically started a passive income business or affiliate marketing. Okay, so what I do now is I create YouTube videos, and I have basically I promote high ticket courses, I promote high ticket software, and that's what I do. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you guys to put your money into a passive income business that pays you. Okay, let me show you guys something right here. Okay. So there's this 15-day challenge, okay? It literally walks you through how to start a business, a high-ticket, high-profit business online, okay? Because the problem with a website like this, guys, is it's low ticket, okay? You're not going to make very much money because the thing is you're trading time for money, just like a job. So it's literally just a job online, right? But, I mean, like I said, if you need to do this to make some money, that's a perfect way to do it. I used to do this when I needed money, okay? But now that I'm making money, I put it into a passive income business or a system that pays me passively or automatically, okay? So what this program teaches you guys is how to start as an absolute beginner, okay? So how to start from beginning to end and how you can start making money, okay? I want to show you here. Just in the past 30 days, guys, I've made over $3,000 with this business, okay? And this is only one out of my 13 income streams. If you look at, I think a video I posted about a week ago, I talked about 13 income streams that are paying me $15,000, guys. And that's what I want to help you with is create a passive income system that literally pays you while you're sleeping, okay? Now, I will tell you this, okay? This is something that it does take some time to start, okay? But 100% worth it, guys. I was able, like, if I was just doing this stuff right here, there's no way I'd be able to quit my job. I would be trading so much time for money, and that's not a good use of your time. Like I said, it's a good use of your time if you have no money to start, okay? But you need to learn a high income skill, a high income system that's going to literally pay you while you sleep, okay? Guys, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job that I hated. I literally hated my job so much. I wanted to be able to get out of that and be able to do something like where I can make money while I sleep, okay? And that's called affiliate marketing. I want to help you guys do that. I have a ton of free videos on my YouTube channel that's going to help you get started. But if you want to learn from beginning to end, if you want to learn in a more structured way, guys, you've got to click the first link in the description below. And basically, it's going to take you through this 15-day challenge. It's going to show you how to start this high-income business. So you can see here, day 1 is the #1 secret to starting your business. Day 2 is basically the core four top high-ticket business models. And then day number 3, we actually build a business, which is really cool. You literally build your business in 30 minutes. And this is one of my favorite days, guys. And then I think day 5 is the best day because, well, I'm in it, but it's going to literally develop your business plan, which is really, really cool. Okay. So that's day 5. And then it just kind of goes through and it helps you start your online business from beginning to end. So guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Hopefully that made sense. If you need to make money, guys, go to Squishy Cash, make some money, but put it into a passive income business, okay? And then once you make that money, guys, click the first link in the description below. It's going to take you through the 15-day challenge, get you started with your business. And even if you've never started before, it's going to take you to this website right here, passiveincomelifestyles.com. And you literally enter your email, and then from there you go through it. You pay the $7, and you start this 15-day challenge, okay? highly, highly recommend it, guys, if you're looking to make money online passively, okay? So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to build an online business, how to do affiliate marketing. Guys, you can see here, I built a 6-figure online business from scratch with YouTube, from engineering to full-time affiliate marketer in YouTube. Guys, that's my story in a nutshell. And, you know, I want to help you guys do the same. I know it sucks hating your job and not knowing if there's a way out. But, you know, if you put in a little bit of work, if you get some good knowledge, you'll get to where you want to be. So talk to you guys soon. God bless, and we'll talk soon.